Discipline holds when purpose is present. Discipline doesn't usually fail because you're weak. It fails because it feels empty. Many people believe discipline is about strength, willpower, pushing through resistance, doing what you don't feel like doing, and sometimes that works briefly. But discipline without meaning eventually collapses. In the inner ledger, discipline is not sustained by force. It is sustained by significance. When actions feel disconnected from purpose, they become chores. Chores create resistance. Resistance drains energy. This is why people start strong and slowly fade. Nothing was anchoring the behavior. Meaning is the anchor. Meaning answers the question. Without meaning, discipline feels punitive. With meaning, discipline feels protective. You're no longer forcing yourself. You're supporting something you care about. This is why discipline improves when it's attached to identity. You don't exercise to be disciplined. You exercise because you value your body. You don't reflect to stay consistent. You reflect because clarity matters to you, meaning removes negotiation. You stop asking, do I feel like this today? You already know why you're showing up. Discipline without meaning is fragile. One stressful day can break it. Discipline with meaning adapts. It shrinks when needed. It pauses without guilt. It returns without drama. Meaning also softens self-talk. When discipline slips, you don't attack yourself. You recalibrate, you return, because the reason still matters. If discipline feels heavy right now, don't tighten the rules. Reconnect to meaning. Ask, what does this protect? What future version of me benefits? What value does this support? When meaning is clear, discipline becomes steady. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.